Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tip video with you. So we're to say we want to split this into equal parts. So if we wanted to split it in half, normally what we do, put a ruler on one side, get the number from the other, so it's 160 millimeters. We know that that's 8, that's nice and handy. What about if we wanted to do it into thirds though? 3 doesn't easily go into 16 without actually writing some numbers down, but what we can do is we know 3 goes into 18 6 times, so we put the 18 on this side, we put the point on this side, and we mark it every 6. That will give us our 3 pieces. So you can do this with any number. We could also use 21 for thirds, so put 21 here, put the point over here, and mark it every 7. This will work for any number, so if you want to do it in quarters, you could use anything that's easily dividable by 4. So 20 is a good example. We put 20 on this side, put the point on this side, and we'll mark it every 5, and that will give us our perfect quarters. So that's just a very quick way of being able to mark out a board without doing any division. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.